G'day, how you doing? So, we're going to make airplanes like this, and then we're going to show you how to fly them. Making a paper airplane is really simple. You need two pieces of paper. The reason why you need two is so that it'll fly farther with the additional lift. First thing you need to do is fold it in half, both pieces of paper. From there, you're going to spread them out so that you can make a triangle on the first one. Next thing you're going to do is you're going to fold the point in. The reason why you do that, I find on average, the plane actually does fly farther if you have a small point fold. Plus, in addition to that, it's going to last longer. Your fourth step, you're going to make an additional triangle, like so. Okay. And you're trying to make it as even as possible. From there, you fold the plane and you make sure you press down so that the seam is set. From there, you're going to make a wing. Now, it's really important when you're making the wing that you do the line of the wing parallel to the middle line of the plane. And so you'll notice my finger, okay, you're trying to do it about a finger's length, and again, parallel with the plane. From there, you're going to use that middle line as a base, and you're going to make a parallel wing upwards. And so it'll go down and then up. That way it'll allow for additional airflow to lift the plane, especially with the back part. From there, again, you're going to use that top portion and you're going to make a parallel wing. So these top portions here, you're going to, again, as straight as possible, and likewise the other side. And once you've done that, assuming it's straight, you now have your plane. You hold it in the middle, and, well, let's try it out, shall we? And as you can see by this flight, it flies really well, despite my ability to hit the post with every single shot. Thanks for watching. Later.